Dear students, today we will solve the seventh numerical from chapter number 5. This is physics class 9. The question states that a girl is swinging on a swing. At the lowest point of her swing, she is 1.2 meter from the ground, and at the highest point, she is 2 meter from the ground. What is the maximum velocity of the swing? Here I have put a video. You can see that when what is happening when something is moving on a swing. The motion of the swing is also the motion of the simple pendulum. So if I draw here the simple pendulum, then you will see that its velocity will be maximum at the and its height from the ground now it is 2 meter. So what will be the pendulum height? Here this height will be 2 minus 1.2, which will be equal to 0.8 meter. So we will solve this numerical by using the law of conservation of energy, the principle of conservation of energy, or the law of conservation of energy. I write here the principle of conservation of energy. This principle states that the total energy at this mean position will be equal to total energy at this extreme position. So I write here the total energy, T dot E stands for total energy at mean position, is equal to total energy at extreme position. Also, we know that at the extreme position here in this position, since the body will stop, then the total energy will be potential energy, and here at the mean position, the total energy will be kinetic energy. So, according to law of interconversion of energy, the potential energy at the highest point will be totally converted into the kinetic energy at the lowest point. So we put their formula. The formula for kinetic energy is 1 over 2 mv square, and the formula for potential energy is mgh. where here m is the mass of both the swing and the girl. We cancel this mass because they are the same. So we will be left 1 over 2 v square is equal to gh. 1 over 2 v square is equal to gh because here m is also cancelled. So v square will be equal to 2gh, and putting the values, the value of g is 10 and the height is 0.8. We will use this height 2 minus 1.2 which we have calculated here. So it will give us 16. So v square is equal to 16, and taking square root on both sides, we will get that v is equal to 4 meter per second. Since it is speed, or so it will be in meters per second. Also, this will be the maximum velocity because it is at the mean position, and the when a body is moving downward, then its velocity at the mean position is the maximum. I repeat this question for revision. We will use here the principle of conservation of energy. According to that, the total energy at the mean position during the motion will be equal to total energy at the extreme position. So here at this extreme position, total energy will be equal to potential energy of the body, and here at this mean position, total energy will be equal to kinetic energy of the body, according to law of conservation of energy. So formula for kinetic energy is 1 over 2 mv square, and the formula for potential energy is mgh. M will be cancelled on both sides because they are the masses of the same body, and we will be left with 1 over 2 v square is equal to 2g is equal to gh. Multiplying 2 on the other side, v square is equal to 2gh. Putting the values and taking the square root, we will get v is equal to 4 meter per second. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next lesson.